Hello everyone, welcome back to my Sherry studio. Today I'm going to show you my bullet journal for January 2023. I just finished it and I can't wait to show it to you because I really love this month theme, and I hope you will like it too as much as I do. Please forgive me my voice, I'm a little bit sick as everyone now. But I hope I will manage to tell you everything what I want. My idea for this month is to paint a small snowy town, and I know that I've made something very similar last year for February, but this time it's going to be a little bit different in different colors. I found some pictures of Pinterest, and one of them was really nice, and I decided to make something very similar. Using my micron fine liner, I'm adding the contours. And I think it's going to be better when I will make this painting a little bit sparkling. So my main page is ready and I really love it. As you can see, we are on the second page right now. Here we have some monthly view, and now I'm painting this small town as well. And I think I will have some place here for birthdays, some nice quote, and well, maybe for some to-do list. And of course the goals. At the end, I decided to glue some washi tape because these are small golden stars, and I think it looks very nice. And the next page, here we're going to have some weekly spread, and on the top of these two pages I'm going to paint some trees, some snowy trees, and this is my idea for these two pages. As you can see, this is a very simple painting, a very simple view of the month, but I really like it. I have some space here and I think it's going to be a January calendar. And now I'm painting this small cute town on the bottom of the page and in the night time, and I think I will add some fireworks on the sky. And now I'm creating some space for the song of the month. That is why I'm making this small painting, and these are going to be some colorful trees. I found some stars sequins, so I decided to add them to my previous paintings. And now we are on the last page of my bullet journal. In this month, I'm painting this cute small town again, and I will leave some place for the trackers. And on the next page is a place for moments. So I will write the everyday's the best thing which happens and which I want to remember. And the last page is ready as well. And this is how my bullet journal for January 2023 looks like. I hope you will like it as much as I do. I know it's a little bit simple, but it's bright and it's very cozy in my opinion. Thank you so much for watching. I want to wish you all the best in this new year. A lot of ideas for your bullet journals, and be creative. Hope to see you soon. Bye.